Hey, get it, make it here. Hả? Thôi đang ở cái tà tuổi. So this trench here is about 18 inches wide width and 18 inches deep. Footing for a 6-foot height block wall. Ray! Ray! Pico! Pico pala! No pico here. Right there by Mighty. There's 2 pico over there, Mighty. Where's the pico?
It's gonna be around here. I was using it right now.
It's over there by Mighty.
No, I was using it right here.
Right there, the green pico and the wood pico is Miley have it. Right there by Miley. Pick it away now. Pick it away. Hey, take this over here. Huh? It's too deep right there. Sao để nó thổi dài? Ai mà xí miêu mà xí cái à retaining wall. Sao để cái ông không cái bị cái gì rồi? Cái vài của mà. I'm gonna do the wall here too.
Yeah?
Oh, we need to prep this first. Come on over here. From here, the back alley to the front, about 110 feet. Tai Piki bên here. Oh, we also go back with Palo Bay. Synthetic or a frente? Synthetic.
Oh, yeah?
All the way to the asphalt, huh? Hey, that couple there, wonderful. Okay, this wall here, we want to prep this wall here, and then we want to do this wall right here, the fence, the chain link here. We want to remove all this out, and we want to put block block here, and then the next one we're gonna go to that fence. We have to remove all that fence, and we want to install a block wall right there. So yeah, and in the front, yeah, it's gonna be a lot of block. Over here we're looking close to 20, about 24, 23 pallet off a block. So it's 6x8 by 16 center block, but that's gonna be with column between, and then rebars every 32 inches, vertical rebars, horizontal every 3 horizontal, one on the bottom of the footing, one in the middle, and one on the top. So yeah, that's the project here. We're gonna do the wall first, and then the next one we're gonna do the driveway, the concrete driveway in the front, and then we're gonna install some gate and then some turf installation. Okay, I'll keep you guys posted, and then yeah, thank you for watching my video here. Aloha Concrete and the Grow. Yeah, 3 musketeer. Oh man, I mean we have 1 extra, so we got 4, and maybe we got another one coming, and then yeah, some other guys working on other project, and then yeah. So yeah, thank you for always watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Ray, what is this? That's West Side. This Aloha Love. Okay, and then you can see here the customer was upsetting. That's her only garage to attack, you know. So yeah, I don't know what that sign is. It's the East Side 13 or ES 13 or MS 13. It's a Mexican gang, like this guy right here, Ray. He's Mexican. This Mexican guy, working hard, and then maybe sometime working hard. Only if I'm around. So when I'm not here on the site, maybe Ray gonna sit down and smoke and talk, and do his thing, you know. He's a professional installation turf. This guy right here. Hi, Ray. Yeah. And I used to do my turf. I always sub it out for this guy here and Dante, do my turf, and then now they're working full time for me. I'm glad I had these guys here working with me, so they help a lot. Yeah, so yeah. If you're running a business, you gotta take care of your guys. You know, you need to babysit your guys too. Right, Ray?
Right.
Yeah. Okay, and then yeah, there's 2 guys right there. I don't know what they're looking at. Are you guys watching TV? Maybe they're over there in the shade, standing over there in the shade, and then maybe watching TV or watching Netflix. Okay, that's the video here for right now, and then well, Tanzania here, so we can have lunch, and then but money for my yeah, cũng thế, tôi tan với bố.
Tan với cái hình ấy của luôn hay.
Gì đó? Cái này người tới tội. Cái này vào lỗi về luôn hình. À. Bởi vì mà biết cái tàu ấy bây giờ tôi cái đều đi. Hả? Ibe. Cái cặp được gì?
Cái này là gì mà? Cái đá đá mày.